doesn't even have feelings. Why do mine feel so hard to control?
That question reveals one of the biggest differences between artificial intelligence and the human brain. Machines can calculate patterns and predict outcomes, but they do not feel a racing heart or calm it down. Today we explore how emotional regulation gives humans a powerful edge in an AI-driven future and why this skill may matter more than coding. Understanding this may be one of the most important skills for thriving in the AI age.
So, what does that actually mean?
Emotional regulation is the ability to notice what you feel and guide it instead of being controlled by it. In a world filled with fast technology, loud opinions, and constant updates, the person who can stay calm will think clearer and decide better. AI can process data, but it cannot sit with frustration, disappointment, or excitement and choose wisdom over reaction. This human skill becomes leadership fuel in the AI age because calm brains solve complex problems more effectively than reactive ones.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, and the change happens through neuroplasticity, which means your brain rewires based on repeated habits. When emotions rise, the amygdala fires quickly like a smoke alarm, while the prefrontal cortex works as the wise planner that helps you respond thoughtfully. Each time you pause, breathe, and reflect, you strengthen the connection between the prefrontal cortex and the amygdala, which improves emotional regulation. Over time, dopamine circuits begin to reward calm problem solving instead of impulsive reactions, and your brain becomes more balanced under pressure.
How does this show up in real life?
In school, emotional regulation shows up when you stay steady during a hard test instead of panicking. In friendships, it appears when you choose a respectful response instead of sending an angry message you later regret. With technology, it matters when online comments trigger you but you decide not to react immediately. In future careers such as AI engineer, doctor, psychiatrist, designer, policymaker, or entrepreneur, the people who manage emotions well will lead teams, make ethical decisions, and handle high-pressure moments with clarity. So, the people who can do this, will have an advantage in the future world.
So, small equals big?
Yes, because every small calm choice is like adding a line of clean code into your brain's operating system. At first, it seems tiny, like one breath or one pause, but repetition builds strong neural pathways that become your default response. Those pathways become character traits such as steadiness, patience, and wisdom. Over years, those traits compound into career strength, because the world will trust the person who can think clearly when everyone else is overwhelmed. Small daily habits grow into powerful cognitive strength.
So, how do I start?
Start with one thinking step, which is labeling the emotion by saying, "I feel frustrated," or "I feel nervous," because naming it reduces amygdala intensity. Add one feeling step, which is taking a slow breath and letting your shoulders drop so the nervous system receives a signal of safety. Then add one behavior step, which is waiting 60 seconds before responding to a text, decision, or conflict. Practice this daily in small moments, and your emotional circuits will gradually strengthen.
What should we do today?
Today, try one pause before reacting to anything that triggers you, even if it is small. Tell a parent, friend, or sibling that you are practicing emotional regulation so they can support you and maybe try it with you. Notice how your body feels when you choose response over reaction, and reflect on what changed. These tiny experiments train your brain for a future where calm leadership will stand out. Small moments of self-control build powerful neural wiring that shapes who you become. Every calm breath strengthens your brain for complex decisions and future challenges. In an AI world, your emotional regulation is not a weakness but your superpower. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.